everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about Big Brother's eviction. This week guys, Yoli was evicted, Norman was evicted, and Vino was evicted. Truly speaking, I don't want to lie guys, but I was still enjoying Yoli on my screen. She's one of my fav. Guys, Yoli was the most genuine, free spirit and a loving person who always had a positive energy within herself. We are hoping to see her back on our screen in future. Let's move along to Vino's eviction. It was something Abadabaningi Abifisa saying Big Brother must let him go. So now it happened. Vino will be able to pay his last respect to his friend Ricky, who passed away last week. Yes guys, he'll be shocked, but we are happy he will be able to attend his funeral. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Are you happy with today's eviction? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.